Okay, so let me take you back to January 2021. We were plunged into another lockdown, and as a primarily hands-on business at the time, it meant that I wasn't able to see my clients. However, I still wanted to be able to look after them, to nurture them, to help them nourish their bodies. So I created a thing called the Body Geek Club. Now, Body Geek Club was really simple. It was to take my hands-on techniques and turn them into easy to follow self-care sessions. And we did that for 10 months and it was great. But it was also super intense, as I was producing 3 classes a week. Now what I realised was that because I'd been on the roll for an hour or so every week, I was feeling really good. And it was only when it got to December, when I'd been about 6 weeks off the roller and I hadn't been doing half as much myofascial care as I have been doing, I suddenly realised that my body felt, I wasn't sleeping as well, my concentration levels were down, I just generally felt, a little kind of grumpy and stiff. So I'm back. In these sessions, we're going to be using those very, very same self-care techniques, and they are so simple. Really? To begin with, if all you have is a tennis ball, a couple of cushions, and a towel roll, you're going to go a long way. This guy, 4-inch foam roller, could become your new best friend. And I'm going to show you how to work with your body in a way that doesn't hurt your body. If you're already full of discomfort, we don't want to put more discomfort on it. Instead, we're going to be working slinkily and stealthily. We're going to be getting your nervous system to calm down so that you feel less anxious and more relaxed. We're going to be working in a way that allows your body to take deep breaths and soften. Each session is just 30 minutes long, and I hold them at lunchtime, so it's easy for you to fit them into your life. You can also watch the replay. These are here to help you feel happier in your body, because when you feel happier in your body, you are able to go out and do more great stuff. That might be take the kids to the park. That might be climbing Mount Everest. The choice is yours. But let's start with the body. Let's start by getting your body feeling happier, lithe, stretchy, and just slinky. Come and join me. You may even have fun.